Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how you can earn $50 per hour by watching YouTube videos for free. Yes, it's possible to make money by just watching videos online. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sign up for Creations Rewards. Creations Rewards is a website that rewards you for watching videos, completing surveys, and doing other simple tasks. When you watch videos on Creations Rewards, you earn points which can be redeemed for cash, gift cards, and more. Number 2. Join Swagbucks. Swagbucks is another popular website that pays you for watching videos. It's very easy to get started with Swagbucks. All you have to do is sign up for a free account and start watching videos. You can earn points for every video you watch and redeem them for cash or gift cards. Number 3. Check out Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel is a research panel that pays you for sharing your browsing and app usage data. When you sign up for the panel, you will be asked to install an app on your device. The app will track your internet usage, and you'll be rewarded with points. These points can then be redeemed for cash and gift cards. Number 4. Try User Testing. User Testing is a website that pays you to test websites and apps. You'll be asked to perform certain tasks on the website or app and provide your feedback. User Testing pays $10 for every 20-minute test you complete. So, you can earn $30 per hour just by testing websites and apps. Before we wrap up, we want to remind you to always do your own research before signing up for any of these websites. While we have personally tested these platforms and found them to be legitimate, it's important to exercise caution and make sure you're comfortable with the terms and conditions before getting started. Also, keep in mind that while you can earn money by watching videos online, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You won't become a millionaire overnight by watching videos, but it can be a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. So, that's all for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful and informative. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on making money online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.